morning, everyone. This is Vinod from Excel Snippet, your YouTube channel, and we are using Excel User Series 2.0 to learn the video number 7. I came across a new situation where one of my students want to increment a number which is not in the front part of the data nor the back end of the data. It is in between. So how do I increment the number if I have such situations? For example, the numbers that I've incremented using these formulas in this way. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to build this one by one. So our basic logic is I want to increment a voucher number given to me and I want to increment them one by one. Remember, my first and the last tag of the data or the voucher number has to remain same and the middle number has to increment one below the other. I cannot use an autofill option. Either way that I can, when I try to do that, it won't allow me to do that. Nor I can use a formula, nor I can use a fill series option because fill series option works only when we have a number here. So I have an alphanumeric data in my data and I have a number in between. So how do I do that? The olden days people would have done it in a very different way. So what they would have done is they would have taken this data, put it in a brand new place, and they would have broke that into three using the delimiter functionalities. So the function that I have as a delimiter is the slash here. So I'll go back to the data part, text to column, and then I would have broke that using a slash functionality. Then I would have populated this data, the desired number that I wish to add to my new transactional valuation, and then I would have joined them using a concat function or text join function. So I would have used a concat here. Choose the first line, then a slash, second line, then a slash, the final line, give an OK, and then populate that with an out of series. Now I wish to do that using a text join functionality, or text join functionality. I use the delimiter once, and then I choose the number one below the other. Then I'm going to just populate this. If I want a new voucher number, then I need to populate this formula running and to keep this data alive so that I can continue my transactions and keep filling these numbers one below the other. I'm not going to use any of them. I'm going to use the function here called left, right, and then mid. And to join all the three data, I'm going to use an ampersand function. So let's see how I'm going to use that. So to use that, I'm going to just use the function from left to right and so on. Let's see how we can feed them. So I'm going to come back to this point and then add equals left. Choose the upper arrow, give a comma. The US trans the total number that comes out 7. I'm going to give an 8 here, close the bracket. The first transaction has been extracted. Then I'm going to add an ampersand to join two of them. So next I'm going to use a right. Again, I'm going to choose the previous cell, give a comma and another 8, give an enter. So now you can see that when my slash is added, now I want to add the in-between line item that is called the mid. So I'm going to choose this cell again, give a comma. My starting number is 9. I want a 5, then I'm going to add an ampersand and give an enter. So I get the same number. Now I'm going to increment the middle number with 1. Now I got the next number, so when I populate this for the entire selection, my middle numbers are changing, not the first few numbers. I want to see what the formula that I wrote inside. This is the formula that I wrote inside my listing. So I have left, and I have a right, and I have a middle valuation where I extracted the data and added one number to that list. This is how we can build a data without using an autofill, not a fill series option. Even I can just stop using the logic called text to column and use these three formula to get what I want. So this is my new video on video series number 2.2, Excel user series, video number 7. This is Vinod signing up from Excel Snippet. I'm back. I'm going to give you a lot more video continuing after this. Thank you so much.